Hey, hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price.
You know, I started off in Brooklyn. My father gave me a small loan of $1 million. Wrong.
It's just awfully good that someone with the temperament of Donald Trump is not in charge of the law in our country.
Yeah, because you'd be in jail.
Secretary Clinton.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
YOLO!
Good morning. Today, I'm very proud of myself. What a great honor it must be for you to honor me tonight. You're going to see the nicest apartment in New York City. It's my apartment. You'll have the great pleasure of voting for the man that will easily go down as the greatest president in the history of the United States. Me, Donald John Trump. What's the difference between a wet raccoon and Donald J. Trump's hair? A wet raccoon doesn't have $7 billion in the bank. I am really proud. I am really honored. We have very stupid people in our country negotiating for us, and we have leaders that don't know what they're doing.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.